Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love keeping your bike in top shape, whether for daily rides, long trips, or quick repairs, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best cycle toolkits, carefully selected for their build quality, versatility, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Topeak PrepBox 36-piece Toolkit. First up, we have the Topeak PrepBox 36-piece Toolkit, a professional-grade toolkit built for serious cyclists and mechanics who want reliability and precision in every repair. This kit includes 36 tools with a total of 55 functions, covering everything from Allen and Torx skis to chain tools, tire levers, spoke wrenches, and screwdrivers. Basically everything you need for full-service bike maintenance. Each tool is made from chrome vanadium and hardened steel, ensuring top-tier durability and long-lasting performance even under frequent, heavy use. The ergonomic design of each piece makes repairs smoother and more efficient, whether you're in a workshop or handling quick fixes before a race. The high-quality polymer carrying case keeps all tools neatly organized, making it easy to grab what you need without digging around. Compact yet comprehensive, the case measures 40.5 by 32 by 11.5 centimeters, providing maximum portability without sacrificing utility. Number 2. DURATECH 41-piece Bike Repair Tools. Next up is the DURATECH 41-piece Bike Repair Tools Kit, a fantastic all-rounder that's designed to cover both complex repairs and routine maintenance with ease. This kit includes tools for chains, cranks, pedals, tires, cassettes, and more, making it suitable for nearly every kind of bike, from road to mountain models. It even features specialized tools that fit less common bike parts, giving it an edge in versatility. Each tool is made from premium heat-treated steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, ensuring longevity even with regular use. The tools are engineered to minimize the risk of damaging delicate components, which makes them great for beginners learning to maintain their own bikes. Everything comes packed in a rugged plastic case with a custom inlay, keeping each piece firmly in place for easy organization and transport. This smart layout saves time during setup and cleanup, while also protecting the tools from wear or loss.
Number 3. PrepBox Tools 17-in-1 Multitool. At number 3 is the PrepBox Tools 17-in-1 Multitool, a compact powerhouse designed for cyclists who want to be prepared for quick repairs on the go. Crafted from CNC machined steel bits and a lightweight aluminum body, this multi-tool strikes the perfect balance between strength and portability. Weighing just 114 grams and measuring only 42.8 by 71.6 millimeters, it easily fits in a pocket, saddlebag, or hydration pack. Despite its small size, it's loaded with functionality, featuring Allen keys from 2mm to 8mm, a Torx key 25, a Phillips PH2, a chain breaker compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains, a spoke wrench, and even a bottle opener for post-ride refreshments. The 360-degree rotation mechanism allows smooth, quick access to each bit, and the included protective carrying bag keeps everything secure.
Number 4. Cyclists 27-piece Bike Toolkit. The Cyclists 27-piece Bike Toolkit offers a thoughtful balance of essential tools and user-friendly organization, ideal for home maintenance and occasional travel repairs. This kit includes the most commonly used bike tools, such as tire levers, chain rivet extractors, crank pullers, cassette lock ring tools, pedal wrenches, and a complete set of hex keys. Each tool is made from durable carbon steel with a polished finish, ensuring long-lasting performance. All tools come stored in a nearly indestructible polycarbonate case, designed for easy portability and organization. The molded compartments ensure every tool stays securely in place, reducing clutter and keeping your workspace tidy. Lightweight and compact, this kit is great for cyclists who want reliable tools without an oversized box. It's especially useful for beginners starting their first home repair setup, but it's equally capable as a backup kit for more experienced mechanics. Covering all the essentials, the Cyclists' 27-piece kit provides dependable quality and value, helping riders handle everyday maintenance tasks with confidence. Number 5. Cyclists' 35-piece Bike Toolkit. Finally, the Cyclists' 35-piece Bike Toolkit takes versatility a step further, offering a wider range of tools to handle everything from minor adjustments to full component overhauls. It includes key repair tools like hub cone spanners, freewheel removers, chain breakers, crank pullers, chainring nut wrenches, tire levers, and a chain scrubber, giving you comprehensive coverage for almost any repair scenario. Every tool is ergonomically designed for comfort and precision, with slip-resistant grips that make repairs smoother and safer. Built from durable steel alloys, they maintain reliability through repeated use and various weather conditions. The entire set comes in a sturdy molded carrying case designed for organization and quick accessibility. Each slot is carefully labeled and fitted, so setup and cleanup are fast and efficient. Compatible with most types of bicycles, from road and mountain bikes to BMX and hybrids, this kit ensures that you can handle repairs confidently wherever your rides take you. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best cycle toolkits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and gear recommendations.